In this video, I will show you how to clone yourself using AI for free. So for example, here is a real clip of myself talking. So I think these AI products will get so much better. And here is the AI version of me talking.
Un sitio web es una agregación estructurada de recursos digitales.
And the tool that I'll be using to do this in this video is called Haen AI. And if you want to try it for free, you can activate your free trial by clicking the link in the description of this video. So to get started, head over to this page called haen.com. And once you have signed up, click on this avatar icon on the top right corner. So let's click on Get Started here. I'm going to use the still avatar because I'm sitting here at the office space. Then you can check the instructions. I prefer text instructions. You need to record a couple of minutes of yourself talking. You can do this with your mobile device because these days those cameras are very good. Remember to pause between sentences. So for instance, if I was now training the AI, I would talk like this. My name is Arturialli. I gave a shot to this awesome AI product, and then just use those generic gestures and keep your hands below your chest. Let's click on next step. You can click on this record with webcam and you can record a short 30-second clip of yourself talking. Okay, so now I'm done with the recording and now I can just drag and drop the video here. So my footage looks good. Then we can just click next. So right now it actually asks me to record via a webcam just to double check that it's truly me who sent that clip where I was talking and to make sure that I'm not trying to replicate or clone somebody else. I, Arturialli, hereby allow Haen to use the footage of me. Okay, and right now my consent has been accepted, so now I can click on submit. And right now it will start to upload my training footage video. Alrighty, and after about 15 minutes, here is my AI avatar.
Hey, Arturi, your instant avatar is ready. Try creating.
Then click next a couple of times and then you can actually click on this create with AI studio. Let's do a landscape video. And then here on the left hand side I can paste or I can write any text I want and my AI avatar will say that out loud. So for example, let's do this text that I just whipped up quickly. Here you can choose your accent. You can also translate this. So you can do, let's say for example, let's target Spanish. And it has translated my text, and let's click on apply. And now you can see that it's saying these things that I just typed in here in Spanish instead of in English. And now if I click on play, I should hear myself talking in Spanish.
Y al que se accede a través de la World Wide Web.
So if you're happy with what your text says here, and if you're happy with all these accents and your voice and stuff like that, then you can just click on preview here. So now it should read this piece of content out loud in my voice. And please pay attention to what it says here. Avatar animation is available after submitting. So when I click on this preview button,
un sitio web es una agregación estructurada de recursos digitales alojados en un servidor.
You can see that my voice is playing, but I am not moving my lips and nothing is moving. And that is simply because it takes resources to render your animation. So that's not something that is going to happen in real time because it takes the AI a lot of effort to put that video together. So just keep that in mind. If you're not seeing yourself moving or if you're not seeing yourself talking here, that is completely normal. That's going to only happen after you have rendered this scene with AI. So right now I'm going to click on submit, and only after a couple of minutes I have this 25-second video. So let's actually play the video and I will put it full screen.
Un sitio web es una agregación estructurada de recursos digitales alojados en un servidor y al que se accede a través de la World Wide Web.
That's pretty much exactly what I look like. And the only thing I would say that kind of gives it away is that my voice is a bit too monotonous compared to what it is in the real world. Once again, that might be due to the fact that I recorded it in an unnatural way where the AI asked me to do this kind of a recording where I had those pauses and stuff like that. Then also my movements are not as fluid as in the real world. So it's doing like a lot of these little very generic movements just to keep it alive. But it's not doing stuff like this or something like this that I might do when I talk. So that kind of also gives it away. But this is incredible. If you want to, you can download it by clicking this download button, or you can also edit it as a new video